Welcome again. Now start CSS. Think of a building a website like building a house. HTML is the structure, the walls and the rows. But CSS, that's the paint, furniture and decoration. Yes, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets and it controls how your website looks, the colors, fonts, layouts and more. Without CSS, all web pages would look plain and boring, just black text on a white background. CSS makes your website attractive and user-friendly. It separates content HTML from style CSS. So you can use design one consistent look for the whole site and easily update it. CSS is linked to HTML using a style tag or an external file. It selects HTML elements and applies style to them. Here's a simple example. This CSS for style are p tags, changing text color, size, and background. CSS is what makes website beautiful and usable. It works with HTML to give structure and style. So, if HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the design and personality.